Hey everyone, want to grow your Snapchat squad? I'm here to show you all the ways you can add friends on Snapchat, whether they're nearby or in your contacts or you just know their username. Let's dive in. First up, adding people from your phone's contacts. Open Snapchat and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now, tap the Add Friends option. Here you'll see a few options. Tap Contacts. Now you'll see a list of your contacts who are also on Snapchat. Tap the Add button next to their name and add them. Now, let's say you know someone's Snapchat username. Go back to Add Friends screen. This time, tap the search bar at the top and type in their username. If you've typed it correctly, their profile should appear. Tap Add to add them. So there you have it, all the ways to add friends on Snapchat. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.